Web3 and decentralized technologies offer fantastic promise, but they come with significant challenges. Foremost, you need a client like a wallet to connect to a blockchain. Where do you get this wallet? Who controls the wallet? What functionality do you get with the wallet? How is the wallet accessing the blockchain? Some browsers have built-in wallets. Wallet apps are also available on phones. Would you trust your life savings to two of the most attacked technologies? You could use a hardware wallet, but this is an awkward way to handle digital goods. Private keys secure digital assets on a blockchain. This is a great way to secure something. But do you know how to secure a private key? What do you do if you lose your private key? How do you back up a private key? How many unique 12-word seed phrases do you want to manage? AnyChain has identified 4 major issues hindering the mass adoption of Web3. First, transacting on blockchains for the average person is complex. Buying new NFTs or tokens can feel overwhelming, often requiring a multi-step process across different websites, exchanges, and wallets. Centralized exchanges and hosted wallets attempt to solve this. This leads to the second issue: custody. Centralized exchanges and hosted wallets are easy to use, but they don't offer self-custody. You use their service. They control your assets and what you can do with them. This seems like the antithesis of the promise of Web3. It is not easy to perform self-custody. You must securely track and manage many wallets, seed phrases, and services. This is not easy for most people. Third comes transparency. Not the transparency of transactions in a public ledger. We are talking about API transparency. Is your service providing native blockchain API access? Are your transactions routed through third-party APIs? Moxie Marlinspike has a great blog post on this problem. The TLDR is that many Web3 services provide a walled garden experience and you are at their mercy. And what about extensibility? You may be screaming, "Wrong! You can build anything on blockchain." You are not wrong. Are you technical? Are you a skilled programmer? Do you have your own servers? Most people want to perform a limit order without writing code or owning servers. AnyChain has examined these Web3 opportunities and challenges. This led us to design the AnyChain Digital Custodian. It lets you connect, communicate, and transact with blockchains, services, and others on your terms from your phone. What is a digital custodian? It is a single-user service. It secures an owner's digital secrets, authenticates the owner when using those secrets. It allows the owner to automate their Web3 activities. So, what is a digital secret? Digital secrets are things like private keys, passwords, and certificates. This includes any personal data, like government IDs, you want to control. AnyChain Digital Custodian is an owner's hub for all things Web3. The Digital Custodian offers everyone a simple, secure, and open experience with Web3. It has 4 design pillars: security, simplicity, transparency, and control. AnyChain implements security via known best practices. We turned authentication into a one-time pad to end common identity attacks. The Digital Custodian is a single-user microtenant. It binds to the owner's mobile device so only the owner controls it. You hold your private keys as an encrypted blob on your phone. To use a key, you send the encrypted blob to your custodian. Only it can decrypt them, so they are never exposed on a vulnerable device. Your custodian is your single source for Web3 activity. This creates a secure user experience without requiring technical expertise. Simplicity comes from a mobile-first, activity-driven approach. People are comfortable using mobile apps to live their digital lives. The Digital Custodian builds upon that muscle memory. AnyChain empowers owners with guides for common activities. Guides are individual actions chained together to achieve a desired outcome. Guides may be simple, like using a private key to access a Web3 service, or more complex workflows, like purchasing crypto with fiat currency from a centralized exchange, querying staking services for the best returns, and then transferring the crypto to the best staking option. AnyChain makes Know Your Customer easy. Your custodian stores the data required for KYC. You then share that data with service providers when required. We are simplifying Web3. You can focus on what you want to do instead of figuring out how to do it. AnyChain supports transparency in 2 ways. First, we are an open source project. The source code for the digital custodian is open for all to see, use, and improve upon. Second, guides execute in a public or private AnyChain cloud. Guides define the actions or API calls performed. Every owner will know if their guides use native blockchain APIs or a third-party provider. You control your digital custodian as an owner, not a user. You own your digital assets and secrets. You decide where your custodian runs. You decide which cloud to use to execute your guides. Less technical owners can pay AnyChain to host their custodians. Technical owners and businesses can deploy their own public or private AnyChain cloud. Alice is a crypto asset advisor. She deploys her AnyChain cloud for her customers. Alice's cloud includes her unique guides. She built them to carry out her investment strategies. If Bob wants to work with Alice, he can create a new digital custodian with Alice in her cloud. He can move an existing custodian to Alice's cloud from another cloud. He could even subscribe to Alice's guides in the AnyChain public cloud. The result is Alice shares guides with Bob that execute her investment advice, and Bob has control over what advice he follows. AnyChain is tackling big problems with a unique solution. We have big plans for owners. We will ensure Web3 is accessible and usable for everyone. We will deliver on the promise of decentralization. We are doing it with an open solution built for you. Digital custodians offer something for everyone. Experts get a powerful automation platform. They can create, share, or even sell complex strategies via guides. Novices get a simple and secure experience. They get guided activities based on best practices. Both groups enjoy the security and simplicity of the AnyChain Digital Custodian. Please help us get the digital custodian built. You can join us on GitHub to contribute with code. With your help, we can build a simple, secure, and open Web3 experience for everyone.